Now we're getting down to the final bits. We're just getting ready now to finish off our meal and get ready to plate it. First thing you want to do after you've seasoned your curry and you're comfortable that everything's cooked thoroughly is taste your sauce. Perfect. It's got a nice tingle to it. It's got a nice smooth warmth going down the back of your throat, but not too hot. Now, a couple of the little accents that you can add that are really nice in Thai curry. First thing I have here today is Thai basil. Now we have basil here in North America that we quite often see in Italian food and a lot of other foods, but there's also a Thai basil. It's a heavier leaf with a purple stem, extremely fragrant, a lot of flavor, very, very pungent. You want to be careful that you don't add too much to this because it will definitely overpower your meal. So we're going to take a little bit of this, cut it in a chiffonade, just cut it into little ribbons to go into our meal. Pop that in. And last but not least, our bean sprouts. These you want to put in right at the very end. Very high moisture content. These will cook very quickly. You don't want limp, mushy beans. So if you put them in at the end, they end up still nice, bright flavor and crunchy. Stir those through. And the heat of the rest of the meal now will just blanch those and cook those nicely.